Alright, good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Vanderbijlpark. We're going to do an upgrade on the gate motor. Client has a Centurion D5 Evo in, and the client got himself a new Centurion D6 Smart Sliding gate motor. But there's first things first, we're looking at the installation. We can see that the gate guard bracket on the front is pinching the gate as well, and then the roller plate bracket is pinching on the steel sliding gate. So we're just going to quickly push it open just to give you an idea about the ABS brake system of this gate. Just like that, stopped dead, in its tracks. Cool. Alright, cool. So the steel sliding gate stopping dead in its track because of that pinching of the gate guide bracket on top there. First things first, we'll have to cut it off. That's a 3-meter high gate. So yeah, let's quickly sort it out, and then we'll remove the D5 Evo, and then we'll put in the client's D6 Smart. Cool, stay tuned guys. Right, here you can see from the top, it's got a big thick bracket, but your spacing between the gate and the rollers are not enough, so it's pinching on the front. What a nice surprise, but let's get it done. Alright, let's quickly have a look. There you can see spacing is now much better. And we've welded it at the top, we're just giving it some time that it dries. And now we're going to look at the front gate bracket. Again, just get you. It's nice having proper gate guide brackets. You can see the client has put on grease on it, but as soon as you close it, lines up, goes, and then it starts pinching. Your gate motor does not want that. Close it again quickly, just to there. Alright, so the gate's already closed. The gate contact's not even making contact. It's pinching there. Right, let's sort it out. Alright, here you can see we've just cut away on the gate guide bracket. You can see that there's no jamming of the gate. Cool. Gate contact is closing now properly. So yeah, client will have to take notice of this tree next to the steel gate guiding system, because the tree roots will obviously upset the whole installation. Okay, there you can see that the steel sliding gate is completely closed. Now Amanda's going to quickly open the steel sliding gate for us, completely all the way. You can see she's doing it effortlessly. There's no jamming of the steel sliding gate on any of the brackets. You want to bump it forward? Okay, Losma. There you can see gate's moving on its own basically. Some small resistance, and that's it. Alright, let's quickly get this old motor out and put in a new one for the client. Get the old one out, put in a new one for the client. Alright guys, if you look here, we're using the old steel base plate. It is a much thicker base plate compared to the newer ones. We've checked everything is lacquer secured, fuss, and we've just welded, reinforced the steel base plate. We don't like spot welding, some installers do, but yeah, welded it down, and now we can quickly fit the gate motor. Right, let's quickly give you a quick idea. Steel rack has been welded into position. This is the startup, so that's why it's reinforced. And then we've run the brackets every 500 millimeters apart. And then again here at the back, we've reinforced it, so we're just going to quickly paint it, and while I put in all of the electronic equipment to program the gate motor. Just an interesting thing, I've never found that the wires are incorrectly connected from the factory, but you can connect the batteries up and then make sure that the colors correspond with the indicators. When that corresponds, then you can plug it in. And now it's just your connecting cable from the power supply to the controller card. Just like that. See on the inside, green and red LEDs flashing. All of the connections have been done. Now we can start checking updates and programming the gate motor limits. Just want to quickly show you guys, we've done with all of the wiring, and we're going to quickly test it. Alright guys, we're done with the installation. This is a Centurion D6 Smart Sliding gate motor. It's a 24 volt system, which means it's got two 12 volt 7 amp batteries inside it. You can see that the gate motor is standing nice and proud. The client supplied the gate motor and everything. We just had to install it for the client. And as usual, you can see. Right, let's quickly test it. Okay, so this steel sliding gate is about 3 meters high. And this Centurion D6 is running it smoothly without any hassles and problems and vibrations and hiccups. Let's have a closer view. I'm going to just stand over it again like in the old days. Alright, let's try again. Some sneezing interfered the recording of the video, but in any case, we've set the auto close time to 15 seconds. You can see it runs at speed. Gate contact is pushed in, gate guide brackets. It's not causing an obstruction or interference. So guys, if you want your gate motor, your Centurion D5 Evo Smart, or Centurion D6 Smart, or Centurion D10 Smart installed in this fashion, you know what to do. give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check out smartgates.co.za and check out Exquisite Security, all with regards to Centurion and Gemini sliding gate motors. Thanks for watching and thanks for all of the support.
Vanuit de pad,